Invisible yet omnipresent electromagnetic fields, or EMFs, are a byproduct of our digital world. From the cell phone in your pocket to the Wi-Fi router in your home, these devices are constantly emitting low to high-frequency radiation. But what does this mean for the youngest members of our families? The concern is real. Research suggests a link between EMF exposure and health issues like cancer and brain damage. Children, with their developing nervous systems and thinner skulls, are particularly susceptible to the potential dangers of radiation. While most scientists agree that everyday exposure is within safe limits, the question remains, why not minimize risks where possible? As guardians of our children's well-being, we can foster a safer digital habitat. Encourage breaks from electronic devices, particularly before bedtime to avoid sleep disruption. Switch off Wi-Fi when idle, or better yet, opt for wired internet connections. Keep high EMF appliances out of play areas and bedrooms. And consider investing in protective cases that can block or diminish EMF exposure. Look for low EMF electronics and establish tech-free zones in your home for digital detoxing. These simple yet effective strategies can significantly reduce your children's EMF exposure. In conclusion, while the debate on EMF health risks continues, proactive measures can be taken to safeguard your children. By moderating device usage, creating distance from EMF sources, and using protective gear, you can maintain a safe digital environment and peace of mind.